Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make this bus stop right here. And it's a very nice detailed building that I've made. Well, it's not really a building, it's a bus stop. It has a bunch of small pieces, so if you have those, this will be a great use for them. And then there's a good use for these wing pieces, which I will show you in a minute. So I'm gonna take this apart so I can show you how to build it. Whoa. Alright, I've got everything taken apart, so I'm going to show you all the pieces you will need. So first, you're going to need 6 of these 1x2s, obviously in different shades of blue, but if you want, you can just use one shade of blue. I just did this. And we have one 6x6 base plate, which will go on the base because it's a base plate. One 1x6 flat piece, one of these 1x3 hinge pieces, it's a flat piece, and then one of these rods, 3 of these 2x2 tile pieces, 2 of these 1x3 hinge flat pieces, one 1x2 hinge piece, which is the connector, one of these 1x4 pieces, 2 of these flag connecting pieces, 4 of these 1x4 flat pieces, 2 of these 1x3 flat pieces, and 1 of these 1x6 pieces, if I didn't mention that already, 2 of these 1x3 arches, and then 2 2x8s, which are flat pieces, and 3 of these 2x6 flat pieces. Alright, so now let's get to building. So first we're going to start off with our base plate here. And then we're going to start by building our bench, which is the base of our build. So first, we're going to place these arches in here, like this. And then we're gonna place one of these 2x6s. And then we're gonna place all of our tiles on it. Then we're gonna place this 1x6 here. And this is the flat piece I was talking about earlier. Then we're gonna use this 1x6, actually, this goes above this, and we're gonna add this 1x4 and this 1x2, and we're gonna add that together to make our bench. And now we're gonna start with the rest of our build, which is gonna start by turning to the back and stacking these light blue pieces on top of each other, and it should look like that, just so it's a little easier to see. I'm just gonna brighten the screen up, which you should probably see about now. And this is what it looks like so far. Next, we're gonna place these hinges and connectors above our build to look like this. So it's just hanging above. And then we're gonna start with our little overhang. So what you wanna do is for my intricate design. First, place your light blue 2x6 flat piece, and then start placing these 1x4 flat pieces of the same color. And then above it, place this darker blue of the same piece. And then just place these 1x4 flat pieces on top, just like so. So it looks like this. And then we're gonna get this 2x8 flat piece. Should look like this. And then we'll get this next one just to stack it over here. And then we're going to place these last two pieces and align them with the other two spots which we've placed. So you should see a little line here. And we want to align it along with that line, along here. So now it looks like this. And now we need to place this here, which will be where our rod goes. But before we can do that, we have to connect this. And we're going to use the black piece first. And then we're going to shove the rod in. And just to make it easier, we'll take the rod out, stick it in, and then put the other flag on the other side. And then these should eventually attach to each other if we just push them in. And it's done. And we can just stick it here. And ta-da! Our little bus stop is done. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, share with all your friends. I'll see you next time.